Many HFT Buy Manip triggered on 82 and 81. Interesting. We are now almost on 84. Very interesting situation here. It has been happening very, very quickly, but as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 HFT Buy Manip triggered, and the price reaction was almost too fast for human. That's why we have the HFT automated algorithm. We will see that in the third video. Market making compass is still positive, plus 10. Okay, new HFT Buy Manip triggered on 84. Okay, HFT Buy Iceberg. Okay. It was not enough for the moment. It looks like it was not enough. Let's put more 3D on this map. Okay, now it's going to be better. Up, like this. Like this. I have just increased the scale for the vertical depth bars, the market bars, and I have reduced the tick size. Okay, as you can see here, I have reduced it, divide by 10. It's now better to see the liquidity properly. You can almost navigate into this crazy stuff, and it's just crazy, especially when you have some large activities, for example on the news. You can navigate on the other book very quickly to see how the volume has consumed the liquidity, how the volume has been filled, how the volume, how was the price impact, the volume price impact, okay, how the bid was reloaded. For example, like here, we have 2 sell market orders on a bid which is reloaded. Then we have an HFT Buy Manip just after that, after this event, just here, a new sell market orders which upticking the price higher. Very interesting situation here. As you can see, we push the price higher with the sell market orders. Okay, this is what I want to see, a kind of stuff like this. Okay, a little resistance here. We have a little resistance here. Offer reloaded, lightly reloaded. A new HFT Buy Manip.